हेलो, स्वागत है आपका टेक अग्नि पे। सो टुडे आई विल शो यू द डेमो ऑफ AI व्हाट्स बॉट सॉफ्टवेयर। दिस इज़ आवर लॉन्चर आइकन एंड जब हम इस पर क्लिक करेंगे तो हमारा सॉफ्टवेयर ओपन होगा, जो कुछ इस तरह से इसका UI दिखता है। ये हमारे सॉफ्टवेयर का डैशबोर्ड है। दिस इज़ अ डैशबोर्ड एंड वी हैव 3 ऑप्शंस हियर. This is a individual and this is for groups and this is for setting. These are settings. Here we have added multiple options here, multiple features here. So here this is the icon where we can log in our WhatsApp via the scan, and this is the account section. we can handle we can handle multiple WhatsApp account in this one software. The settings is this is setting area and it is available in multiple languages, so we have implemented multiple languages in this. And, yeah, for sending the messages, here we will load the Excel, and in this message box we will type our message, so what we want to send it. Also we can send attachments, any kind of attachment like media, location, contact. So these type of attachments we can share, and also the poll section we have here. So polling section also we have here to get any poll result or any yes or no type answers. Okay, so now we have I have implemented some of see, when I am starting the campaign, it is asking at least one contact list and enter a message. So let me show you okay. So let's say this is a number and this is the test message. So when I is going to start the campaign, it will ask the campaign name, and here I have implemented most important thing, the sending mode. समटाइम्स क्या होता है, बॉट मार्क कई बार हम कोई और सॉफ्टवेयर से यूज़ करते हैं तो हमारा व्हाट्सएप बिजनेस ब्लॉक, कई बार व्हाट्सएप बैन हो जाता है इस वजह से, इस एक्टिविटी की वजह से। तो इस प्रॉब्लम को ध्यान में रखते हुए मैंने इसमें इम्प्लीमेंटेशन डाला है कि सेंडिंग मोड हमारा क्या है। अगर हम सेफ मोड ओके करके चलाएंगे तो ये हमारा व्हाट्सएप को बैन होने से बचाएगा। साथ ही साथ इसमें एक और क्लॉज लिया है कि जब भी हमारा मैसेज सेंड हो, जब भी हमारा प्रमोशनल मैसेज सेंड हो, तो वो वेट करे 10 सेकंड से 20 सेकंड तक का एवरी 10 मैसेजेस के बीच में, और 4 से 8 सेकंड्स एवरी मैसेज। सो हर 10 मैसेजेस के बाद वो 10 से 20 मिनट 10 से 20 सेकंड्स वेट करेगा, और हर मैसेज के बाद वो 4 से 8 सेकंड वेट करेगा। इससे क्या होगा, इससे वायलेशन रूल जल्दी पॉपुलेट नहीं होगा। और साथ के साथ अगर हम सेफ़ मोड में करके चलाएंगे तो सेफ़ मोड इसमें इम्प्लीमेंटेशन किया हुआ कि हमारे को बचाएगा हमारे व्हाट्सएप को बैन होने से। सो दिस इज़ ऑल्सो ये 2 फीचर जो हैं ये इसको काफ़ी यूज़फुल बनाते हैं, और वी कैन हैंडल मल्टीपल मैसेज टेम्पलेट्स इन दिस एप्लीकेशन. So multiple message, like we can manage a promotional and marketing messages. So any type of messages we can handle, we can manage templates here. And next, if I will go with the group, this is the groups, like if you wanted to send the promotional messages to the groups, and this one is for the numbers, and the third one is the settings. Basically these are, here we have included are all features. If we wanted to get any kind of a members from any group, so we will grab the group members via this feature, get group member. Here we will login, and then it will, if we wanted to get any community member and community contacts, basically this will help you out to maintain the data for numbers data and contact list grabber. So basically like all the contacts in our WhatsApp, if you wanted to grab it, so then we can get it done by this feature. And then next one is grab active group members. So basically this is a filter based feature. uh, in some of groups, few members are offline and some of active members are there. Not all members will be active in that group, in particular group. So this will, via this feature, it will only pick active members of the groups, not all. Only they can reply. So also the chat list, the fourth one is a grab chat list. So it will get your all chats of your WhatsApp, all chat list, all chat numbers basically. This is a get poll result. Fifth one is, so polling polling results here we will get. Next one is group tools. See, these are our data extractors. By help of these five features, we can extract the data, and we can maintain our data numbers, data to marketing, for the marketing purposes as per your business. And next one is group tools. Via these six features we have implemented it in this bulk group generator, group link verify. So grab WhatsApp groups from any web page. So these are the very useful groups. So for this I will create another video. So let's comment it out. If you want any specific feature video, so then I will give you the full demo of the particular feature. In this video I will give you a brief demo, basically not a full-fledged, but it will be a demo of overview of this application. Yeah, next is automation and filtration. So here we have implemented like bot, autoresponder, number filter, WhatsApp warmer is also to keep your WhatsApp business number secure to get banned. Basically your number will not get banned if we do the daily exercise of our WhatsApp business by this WhatsApp warmer. It will warm your WhatsApp number and then help to prevent ban from the WhatsApp. Okay, group warmer, all schedules. So these are the automation and filtration features. Five features we have included it. And next one is the lead generation tools. So here we have if you wanted to extract any data from the Google Map and from any kind of a social media, or from any website, or from any also we can generate a CSV, Google contact CSV generator. If you wanted to pick all the contact list from the Google, so then we can do this. So this is the video, basically overview of the AI hotspot of our application. Via this the price of this software is 1000 per year, which is a very low and basic fees. Yeah, so subscribe our channel, and if you are new, then subscribe our channel to join with us, and keep stay with us to update with the new features and new softwares. As you know, in our in AI Info Labs, we will develop all type of application, all type of software as per your requirement. So industry, automation basically, and website, web applications, web software, mobile application, Android and iOS. So all type of developments we will do, as well as if you wanted to develop your AI researcher or AI tool, so then we can also be develop. So thank you so much. Here is the overview of our AI hotspot. So we will meet in the next video. Thank you guys.